There's no denying that a color-filled and sunny getaway can cheer the soul. And even if you can't jump on a plane, we've selected a few of our favorite Technicolor places and spaces that make for an eye-catching virtual escape. Let's tour the world the most colorful places together. 1. Procida, Campania, Italy. 2. Nyhavn, Copenhagen, Denmark. 3. Lavender Fields, Provence, France. 4. Rainbow Mountain, Peru. 5. Plitvice Lakes National Park, Croatia. 6. Willemstad, Curaçao. 7. Colmar, France. 8. Five Flower Lake, Sichuan, China. 9. Cinque Terre, Liguria, Italy. 10. Burano, Italy. 11. Menton, Côte d'Azur, France. 12. Tulip Fields, Holland. Which of these places would you like to see? Write us in the comments.